guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you how to repair this damaged. First things first, obviously it come into us dirty, so we've got to give it a wash. So we're going to wash the old kite vehicle and give it a cleanest job as possible. So let's get it done. Right guys, we washed it, it's in the prep area, just dried it, so now we're going to mask up all the lights, panels that we don't want to DA, prep, lower trims. Just looking at it, it's been repaired before. It's got runs there, the clear coat's a bit dull, so we're going to rectify all that. Right, most of the outlines all been masked up, so we don't need to damage the bits that we don't need to. So when we prep it, we don't need to damage these components. On these little sensors, we've got a quick way, instead of taking them off, because this is a smart repair style, so we don't need to take the bumper off. J-tape, do some parking sensor maskings. So what we do, undo all these, peel them off, put them on the sensors, and it protects it while we're prepping, and also we remask it again when we paint it. Like that. Right now we're going to DA this off with 320 on a DA to sand it, smooth it off. So let's get onto it. Rough flaky paint off. This is has been repaired before, so now we're going to degrease it off, and also we're going to put some plastic filler in this, because basically this filler is not really designed for plastic, so let's rectify it. Waiting for the filler to go off, we're going to prep the whole bumper with 1500, DA it all off. Masked up, ready for primer. So first things first, we put adhesion promoter on this, plastic adhesion promoter, so it grips it better. So what we use is just like out of an aerosol can. And now we're gonna mix some 2-pack up. The Mercedes rear bumper has all been repaired and painted. So now we demask it and she's ready for the customer to pick up. Demasked and all the smart repair work's all done on this Mercedes. So thanks for watching, until next time.